B1 Listening. Office organisation. In any office, it's important to have clear procedures for organising and managing your work. First, start your day by checking your emails and replying to any urgent messages. Next, prioritise your tasks by using a to-do list. Write down everything that needs to be done and order them by importance. Then, focus on one task at a time and make sure to complete it before moving on to the next. If you're unsure about any task, ask for clarification. Once you've finished your work, be sure to clean up your desk and organise your files. This will help you stay focused and efficient for the next day. Here are 10 words from the text that you may find difficult to pronounce. Listen and repeat. Procedure. Procedure. Organising. Organising. Managing. Managing. Emails. Emails. Urgent. Urgent. Prioritise. Prioritise. Tasks. Tasks. Clarification. Clarification. Finished. Finished. Efficient. Efficient.